Very happy Independence Day to all my fellow friends and students. For this particular session, Council has new examination scheme, and under that scheme there will be 2 semester or 2 examination. The first examination will be in November and it will be MCQ based. So here one of my friend has shared a one class test for semester 1, and I am here with the solution for these questions. So let's discuss these questions. First of all, just keep in your mind whenever you are doing MCQ, don't go for the right answer always. First try to find out the 3 wrong answer. Then only you are able to choose the correct answer. Okay. So here the first question is, xylem transport of water in tall trees appear to be mainly due to. As we all know that root pressure, activity in the xylem cells, capillary rise in xylem, transpiration pool, all 4 are responsible for conduction of water, but here the correct answer is transpiration pool. The reason is capillary rise or capillary force is hardly responsible for 2-meter rise of water. So it is not the correct answer in case of tall trees. Root pressure is also responsible for the conduction of water, but root pressure can conduct water up to 19 to 20 meter only. So again we will not go for root pressure. And metabolic activity in xylem cells are responsible for just a slight push of water. So again for tall trees it will not help. All 3 will contribute in the conduction of water in tall trees, but here the question is mainly the xylem transport of water in tall trees is due to transpiration pool and the cohesive force. Transpiration pool water को ऊपर खींचेगा. Cohesive force is the force between the 2 identical molecules of water, so which helps in the conduction of water. The next question is, when the concentration of soil solute is low, the absorption of water. Let's understand the question first. If soil concentration is low, means the solvent concentration is more, and we know that water move from higher solvent concentration to lower solvent concentration. Now in soil there is a more concentration of solvent, hence it helps in the absorption of water by the plants. So the correct answer is increases. Now dashes of protein that play a central role in DNA folding. Basically here the protein is histone. So the correct answer is histone. Now gene is the segment of DNA. So we will not go for a gene. Chromatin is the condensed material of chromosome. We will not go for chromatin. And nucleosome is the combination of DNA plus histone protein. Hence we will not go for nucleosome also. So the correct answer is histone. The spindle apparatus is formed during the prophase phase of mitosis. Okay. The number of mitotic division required to produce 120 cells from one cell is. There is a 2 way to solve this question. You can go one by one, step by step, that one cell is there, then it will form 2 daughter cell, then 2 daughter cell will produce, it will form 2 daughter cell, these 2 daughter cell will produce more 2 daughter cell, and you may count number of steps. Otherwise the right way is, there is a formula to calculate the number of mitotic division, and it is 2 raised to power n is equals to number of cells produced. So 2 raised to power n will equals to 2 raised to power 7. Here the n is equals to 7. So number of divisions required to produce 120 cells from one cell is 7. So the correct answer is 7. Now if we are going towards the next question, what is the relationship among DNA, a gene and a chromosome? Let's see the rough structure of DNA. This is the structure of DNA, and it consists of small segments, and each segment is considered as a gene. Okay, so gene is the segment of DNA. Now what is chromosome? Chromosome consists of DNA and histone protein. So let's discuss all the possibilities. The first option is chromosome contain 100 of genes which are composed of DNA. Chromosome contain 100 of genes, that's true, but gene is not composed of DNA. A chromosome contain 100 of genes which is composed of protein. Yes, it is a correct answer. Third, a gene contain hundreds of chromosome which are composed of protein. It is not the correct option because gene does not contain chromosome. Chromosome contain gene. Gene composed of DNA, it is wrong. DNA composed of gene. A gene contain hundreds of chromosome? No. Chromosome contain hundreds of genes. So the correct option is second option. The most appropriate characteristics of a semi-permeable membrane is, basically semi-permeable membrane allow a solvent to pass through freely but prevent the passage of solute. This is the right answer. Now let's discuss rest of the choices. It has minute pores? No. It has no pores? No. It allows the solute to pass? No. The stage in which daughter chromosome move towards the pole of the spindle is, the correct answer is anaphase. At anaphase, daughter chromosomes are on the opposite pole. So the correct answer is anaphase. Which of the following cellular structure always disappear during mitosis? During mitosis, nucleolus and nuclear envelope disappear, not plasma membrane, not plastate, and this process occurs at prophase. They reappear at telophase. Wilting of plants occurs when? What is wilting? Wilting means murjhana or the loss of water. Here we must understand that phloem is the tissue or a vascular tissue which helps in conduction of food. So this will not be the answer. Xylem is responsible for the conduction of water and minerals. So it could be the right answer because wilting means the loss of water or the lack of water you can say. So पानी की कमी है मतलब wilting हो गई है, मुरझा गया, और xylem नहीं है, ये तभी होता है. Both xylem and phloems are blocked. No, phloem का कोई काम ही नहीं है उसमें. A few old roots are removed. ऐसा हो सकता है, but if any of the root is there, then it may conduct water, so it may not cause wilting. So we will not go for this choice also. Then move to next. So the correct answer is, for this particular question, DNA. DNA is the smallest unit out of all these, and DNA combined with histone protein and form nucleosome. The nucleosome combine together and form chromatin and then chromosome. So the correct answer is second, fourth, third and first. Which of the following structures are present only in a plant cell? One is a part that is a large vacuole. It is only present in plant cell. Second is cell wall. Yes, it is only present in plant cell. Part third is nucleus, also present in animal cell. And part 4 is plastid or chloroplast, which is only present in plant cell. So correct answer is, we will not include third. So the correct answer is first, second and fourth only. An experiment was set up as shown. After an hour, the liquid level in the Thischl funnel increases. Which of the following shows the possible content in the Thischl funnel at the start of the experiment? Now the level of Thischl funnel increases, and this is the Thischl funnel. So it means the water has moved from beaker to Thischl funnel. इसका मतलब beaker must contain more solvent in comparison of Thischl funnel. Let's move to the choices. First is Thischl funnel 10% sucrose. Beaker contain minus 10%, also contain 10% sucrose. This is an isotonic solution. This answer could not be possible. The second choice is Thischl funnel contain distilled water. Beaker 5%. No, we need more water in beaker. Thischl funnel 5% sucrose. Beaker contain 10% sucrose. Again, इसका मतलब है Thischl funnel में 95% वाटर है एंड बीकर में 90% वाटर है. तो वाटर विल मूव फ्रॉम Thischl funnel So this choice is also wrong. Here Thistle funnel contain 5% sucrose, means 95% water, and beaker contain distilled water only, so water will move from beaker to Thistle funnel. The correct choice is this one. Which of the following is mitosis not used for? Repair of a wound in a multicellular organism. Let's discuss the significance of mitosis. Mitosis is required for repair, that's true. Second is asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. For that, normal cell division occurs. So yes, it is a result of mitosis, that's also true. For development of a baby in the mother's womb, a number of somatic cells divide, the embryo grow in a size. Yes, it is because of mitosis. Last one is production of gametes. Gametes are produced by the meiosis. So here the question is, ये क्वेश्चन गलत होने की बहुत पॉसिबिलिटी है बच्चों, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑल ऑफ द अबव चॉइस दिया हुआ है. इफ़ यू विल नॉट रीड दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट और आपने सोचा कि ये 3 ठीक है, मतलब ऑल ऑफ द अबव है, तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन है mitosis is not used for. The correct answer is production of gametes. For this we have meiosis. What is the structure labeled X on the picture called? This is the important question. And here this is the centriole. This one is spindle, तो हमारा आंसर centriole होगा. And chromosomes basically ये daughter chromosomes हैं इधर, या sister chromatids इनको कह सकते हैं. Move to next question. The process by which water enter the root due to diffusion is termed as passive transport. It's true, because passive transport is something for which energy is not required. So in case of osmosis and diffusion, no energy is required. The correct answer is this. In comparison to clay, the water holding capacity of sand is more. False. Clay contain more water holding capacity. So the answer is true. Water and inorganic salts are taken in simultaneously by root hair. It's true. Most of the time water takes place through osmosis and diffusion, and salts via active transport, but they take it simultaneously. After a single cell divide, there are 3 cells, the parent cell and the 2 daughter cell. Yes, in case of mitosis, this is the parent cell. Then parent cell divide and forms 2 daughter cell. So here we have 3 cells. So this statement is true. But if this here in this particular question mitosis हम लेके चल रहे हैं, meiosis नहीं मेंशन है, तो वैसे भी सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है, तो वी आर नॉट टेकिंग. meiosis का significance and definition is only a part. The cell cycle can be reversed, causing a cell to move backward from a mitosis back to the G2 phase and S phase. No, it's not possible. Once the cell enter at the S phase, एक बार सेल एस फेस पर चला गया, आफ्टर दैट देयर इज नो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ द बैक गियर एट ऑल. सो हियर आई हैव डिस्कस्ड द कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस टेस्ट. Still, if you people have any doubt, so please let me know in the comment box, and in description box I will share the name of the teacher who shared this paper. Till then, take care. Goodbye.